Good morning from Precision Transmission. We have a 1999 GMC 1500 Yukon. These guys drove all the way from Arizona for us to take care of this transmission for them. It does work, but it does have over 200,000+ miles on it. So before the unit takes a poop on him, we're gonna get this thing fixed and get all the upgrades. We've got all of our drive lines marked and ready to take off. So that's all nice. This thing is really nice under here. This gentleman takes care of the vehicle pretty well, you can tell. We got a leak there. We're gonna be taking apart the transfer case on this thing as well. We're gonna try to get these guys done in about 2 days. They are staying out in a hotel, so we got to get this thing done as fast as possible and 100% and back on the road. On our 99 model Yukon, we do check all of our U-joints on our drive shafts for our customers, because you're under here, so why not double insure your customer that all his U-joints and drive shafts, everything look really well. Like I said, this gentleman drove all the way from Arizona. Everything was working correctly, but you just never know if you might be getting a bad U-joint. And it looks like we have a transfer case leak, and we're going to be taking care of that as well. The customer would like us to take care of it for him, so we're going to be taking apart the transfer case along with building the transmission for the gentleman, so he has no problems. You can see I put our connector, our main connector to our transmission. It has no fluid in it. That is good. It's a good sign. On these, you just have to loosen the exhaust. You don't have to pull it down. You can drop the transmission out of here without pulling the exhaust totally down, which we've loosened it on both sides. Got our converter loose, popped in towards our transmission. After we go back, we're gonna pop it against our flex plate. So just a little update on what we got going on. All of our electronics are unplugged. Not much longer. Let's get our transfer case out of here, and then we'll get back. We have our transfer case down. Looks like this thing is either leaking out of our top. There's a rubber piece under here. When we tear it down, we'll show you. But these things are bad about also, there's a pump in here that will wear through the case. So we will be putting a case saver in this thing, because we don't want our customer get down the road in a month or so and him start to have a leak, because the pump, it will wear a hole in this case shaft right here. It's actually, that metal is stronger than the metal here, and just the rocking back and forth will actually wear a hole through the case. So they actually have a case saver for this thing before it does that. Looks like we need a seal, leaking out the seal. So we'll go ahead and do that for him. I think our seal here, let's see if I can get it to steady up. Sorry guys. Oh, it's rubber. Come on. Yeah, it's rubber. Okay. So that's rubber. Oh, there we go. We got a couple bolts to go, and we'll have our transmission out and have a tear down video. And just like that, it's like magic. We have a transmission and a transfer case taken out of the vehicle. Get this thing tore apart, see what we need to replace, which is normally everything except the hard parts, possibly. We will get our flex plate down, look at it thoroughly. Doesn't look cracked, looks a little dirty. We're gonna look at our rear main seal. Looks like these guys did a oil pan on here, so if the rear main seal's leaking, we want to take care of that for them. Looks like they're trying to find some leaks. But everything else looked really nice on this. No oil in the plug. Neutral safety switch looks really nice. We'll go here, look at our plug. Down in it, looks really good. Converter. Looks really good. They did drive this in from Arizona. They seen us on YouTube and would not let anyone build their unit but my pops. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Tear down coming shortly. Have a great day.